This morning we continue inside. We've managed to frame up the walls. We got this flexi bin here and filled it up with all the stuff that was under the scaffold before, because our boy Wilson took down the scaffold the other day. Thanks, Wilson. And it's looking good around there. Let's have a look. Subscribers on. All the wall. So now we continue inside, where we've built the wall, repaired some of the floor. Let's check it out. Let's cut to yesterday where we did this floor. While we have the floor up, I'm using this opportunity to show you what we did under there. That's the other side of the firewall. That completes it. That's some hardies with a bit of insulation inside, a little frame, and the weatherboards are on the other side of that. So that seals the wall both sides all the way to the ground. And we've beefed up this. We just added this little pad and post. Put a little concrete around there later. It's just to take some of the deflection that's out of the existing floor. And now I can get my car jack out of here. We were using that to hold the building up. Lucky I didn't get a flat tire, eh? Check this out, bro. The pressure from the car jack. Put a big dent right in there.
Holy shit, bro.
The floor didn't drop or move in any way. It'll largely be because all the weight that was onto there is now onto that wall. So it's just floor weight, which is not much.
Ain't gonna be much fun, bro. It's the same meal again. People wanna watch me cook bacon and eggs, okay.
Like I said earlier, we're taking up the floor because the floor's a little bit damaged, and then we're gonna build a brand new wall on top of it. Paddy does this every day. Does a nice fry up, bit of bacon, bit of eggs.
Not very colourful, is it?
Is that because it's your organic bacon?
No, I'm talking about genuine. No tomatoes, nothing. That's good though.
I've just got a kiwi fruit. Because it's the middle of winter, a lot of our timber's damp. And we're doing our best to make it dry with this dehumidifier here. Look at that. So much water. Oh my god. That's a lot of water. Pido got a new phone and he's treating it with the utmost respect.
No way, it feels like you know Lord of the Rings? Frodo and Samwise, whatever his name is?
Yeah.
They open up that their rations or whatever.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And they put it in a cloth.
Put it in a loincloth. Right, so now that the wall is up and the floor in this room is done, we're going to work on the ceiling. Make it look like this ceiling just came through here. You know, it was always coming through here. This here is the best kind of blade for cutting plasterboard. Rounded so you can move laterally without any resistance. It's very good, very good. And you won't hit any cables either. The doors have arrived. 3 solid core doors for over here. Oh, it's a bit of a mess, but it was a good day. Very good day. Last couple of days actually. Ceiling battens on, wall built, hung that door there, patched up all this floor. Paddy got a haircut, looking slick. And we just got to hang that door and insulate before Friday's inspection. So we've got this dehumidifier in here like I was showing you earlier. 24/7. Sure, you just don't want to do the job.
Yeah. I fucking hate it.
So do I. Well, guess what? That's what we're doing tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in to another exciting episode. And like and subscribe. Tell your mum and your dad as well.